What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Reika Yanique, and as you can guess by the title of this video, I am doing a major closet purge, closet clear out. I'm decluttering. So I've done the occasional purge from time to time, but this one feels like the biggest one I've done to date. I'm the type of person I like to hold on to things for a very long time, even if it doesn't fit. I still like to hold on to it for that what if moment. And with me moving house and everything, I decided I didn't want to really carry a lot of clutter with me. Yeah, so stuff from my closet I decided I would either sell, donate, or just throw in the trash if it's like completely unwearable. And yeah, I'm gonna take you along with me. The things that I did decide to sell, I took to the Buffalo Exchange, which is a pretty big thrift store in the, I don't know if they're based in other states, but they're pretty big in New York, so I decided to go there to resell some of my pre-loved items. I got a cute coin for my efforts. Stick around to the end of this video to see how much I made. Before we jump into the video, hit the subscribe button if you're new, hit the like button of course, even if it's just to say hi. Leave me a comment down below. I read and I respond to all my comments, so don't be shy, leave me a comment down below. And yeah, I love to hear from you. Follow me on all my socials, I'll have them floating around somewhere in this video. And without further delay, let's jump right into the video. So my closet purge is in full swing, as you guys can see. The first thing I did basically was clear out all of my dresser drawers, cleared out my closet, took everything out and had it in one area just so I could see everything that I own and identify what am I wearing consistently versus things that I don't wear at all. And I do recommend this for anybody that's doing a purge. So now that I've cleaned everything out of my drawer, this is how I want to game plan it. I want to make 3 piles. One for things that I am keeping, another pile for things that I am selling, and another pile for things that are just gonna be given away, given to Goodwill, given to church. Yeah, I also have some, clothes that I have vacuum packed here. And yeah, I'm trying to avoid keeping things vacuum packed because what happens with me, because it's out of sight, I tend to forget about it, and the things likely don't, and the things end up not being worn. Right now I have to say I probably have about 5 to 6 vacuum packed bags like this. So yeah. So this shirt I'm definitely getting rid of. I don't really like showing shoulders like that, and this is a cold shoulder button down shirt that I got from Fashion Nova. And another thing, it's really tight on the arms, so this is one of those items that I can definitely get rid of. This is my get rid of pile. I'm not even going to try and sell. This is another one of those dresses that I feel like I'm going to get rid of as well. It's just really not my style. It's supposed to be a shirt, but it's like a very long shirt. A very long shirt, button down, and then it has like the draping thing going on, but I really don't like how it hangs on me. Yeah, I don't see myself wearing this, so this is going to go in the throw out pile. This is a top I got from Misguided that I never have worn in the house. I've never worn out of the house. I feel like I'm gonna get rid of this. So this is one of those dresses that I think most definitely can get thrifted. So this is my thrift pile back here. This is another dress that I really love, and it's still on trend with the oversized sleeves, but it's so tight on the arms for me. That's my problem here. I have big arms, so if the item doesn't have a lot of stretch in there. So the tags is still on this dress. I've never worn it, and I don't know who I'm kidding thinking that I can slim down my arms. It's been 2 years, and if you ask me, my arms have gotten bigger. So I'm gonna pass this off to somebody else who will probably get more wear out of this dress than myself. So this is going in the thrift pile.
No stress if you don't smoke cess, less. I must confess, my destinies manifest. There's some vortex and sweats. I make tracks like I'm homeless. Rap orgies with Porgy and Best. Capture your bounty like Elliot Ness. Yes, that's you if you represent the food, but I hex you. Which is rule if you do voodoo. I can do what you do. Easy, believe me. Frontin' niggas give me heebie-jeebies. So why you imitating Al Capone? I be needing Simone and defecating on your microphone.
Just right, checking in, and so far the keep pile just keeps getting bigger and bigger, and the go pile, the get rid of pile, both of them are relatively small. I don't know. I feel like I'm going to revisit the keep pile one more time just to be sure that I should really keep those. Alright guys, so pardon the mess. It's usually never like this, but I just moved house and I'm still trying to make sense of my stuff and where I'm going to put things. This room that we're actually in right now, I am in the process of transforming into a walk-in closet slash office. Stay tuned for that. Give you a little sneak peek of what's to come. Sneak peek coming right now. Alright, sneak peek is over. So stay tuned. Have a video coming up transforming this entire space, so make sure you're subscribed and stay tuned for that video. But in the meantime, before I start putting things away, I want to, as I mentioned, make sure I'm not holding on to things that I am not wearing or I don't really like. You know, see me? I can see me. Alright, so I already know I'm getting rid of this faux fur gilet. This dress. I am so crushed about this dress. I actually wanted to wear this dress for my birthday coming up weeks, but it's not gonna fit. This top, let me put that here. This top, I don't know if I was channeling Cruella de Vil for this shirt. Oh my god. This is my shoe pile. So shoes are definitely my vice, shoes and outerwear, but mainly shoes. I have a major shoe problem, and I'm the type of person, I will buy the shoe for a particular outfit, and once I wear the outfit, I don't wear the shoe anymore. So a lot of these are a one wear and done type of thing, so I'm getting rid of them. I think somebody else will make better use of them than I will. En route to the Buffalo Exchange, and you see how much money I can get from my little purge. I have a feeling, well, not a feeling, it is a feeling. Well, I think I can get 200. I'm aiming for 200. I'm aiming for $200 from this little closet purge. Husband says 100. I say 2. Fingers crossed with 2. But yeah, that's where we're heading to now. And yeah, let's see how it goes. for this. So I know everybody's wondering just how much I made from my little closet clear out. So I brought with me a lot of different types of clothing that wasn't necessarily, you know, winter appropriate, and what ended up happening is I didn't really take a lot of the things that I had most of which were summer stuff, and we are in the height of winter. It's actually like 20 degrees outside now, so you know, me trying to sell booty shorts was just like, nah, not gonna happen. So for what they did take, which was, they took like about half of what I brought in. For what they did take, earlier in the video I said I was aiming for like 200 bucks. So if you account for the fact that they only took half of what I brought in, so the remaining half that they did take, I made $78. I was aiming for more, but I mean, at least I got something. In terms of things that they did not take, I am going to try and resell myself. I do have a Poshmark, which is basically another marketplace where you can resell your pre-loved clothing. So I do have that, and I'll try to sell things on there. I'll leave a link to my Poshmark for anybody that's interested in shopping my closet. I got rid of quite a bit of stuff, and I'm very happy with that. So I think what I'm left with are items that I really like and I wear like very regularly, so I'm excited for that. And I am done talking. My throat is getting kind of dry. So on that note, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Deuces. Bye.